This is how I make a 3D model with no CAD skills. Check it out.
My favorite game right now is Arc Raiders, so I'm gonna grab one of these Rocketeers off of Google, open up Hitem3D.ai, literally find the one that doesn't have too much clutter, drag it, and drop it. And it's gonna make a 3D model out of that image. We also have an editing mode. Click here using Nano Banana, and we can make this image look a little bit better. And we can try using image editing to improve the quality of this Arc Raiders Rocketeer. So with a quick image editing improvement, we can go from this, a little blurry, to that guy, a little crisper. Done with that. Now that we made the input image a little bit better, and we've got two different model types. We have fast and quality. We're gonna build this one with quality. Fast is great for quick drafts or rapid iterations, while the quality is a little bit better for final production and higher detail results. And there we go, a nice Rocketeer. High quality 3D print model ready to download and print. Looks absolutely fantastic. Using the image editing tool, we were able to make it much cleaner. Using the quality mode, we got the higher detail results. If we would have used the fast mode, it would have been great as well, just a little faster and maybe not quite as much detail.
Download the STL file, open it in my slicer,
Scale it up, turn it around, and it turned out really awesome. We're just gonna add some supports, slice it, and print it. I made this video game character into a 3D print model in about 5 minutes. And of course it took me 2 hours to print. But this is what you can do with Hitem3D.ai. It's super quick and easy. Found a picture, put it into the app, and click generate, and boom. This is from one picture off of Google, and it made this really awesome Rocketeer figurine from Arc Raiders. And just imagine all the other things you could do. Maybe you're looking for like a cool statue to print out. Grab a picture of the David, throw it into Hitem3D.ai, pop it out, and print yourself a David. Anything you can imagine, really. If you're into Warhammer, throw in a character, print it off, save a ton of money on these characters. Maybe you're really into some type of anime or another video game and you want to create maybe a cool sword or a shield, and you don't know how to use Fusion to create these models yourself. I mean, this is super complex. Look at all these tiny parts and differentiations here. It even has the small little rocket holes. Like, this would take hours to create manually, and you can do it in under 5 minutes using Hitem3D.ai. It has a fast option or a quality option. This is the fast option, and honestly, I'm not disappointed. If I was like a painter and super into figurines, this is a great base model to start off. Unfortunately, I only have a single color to print with. It's just amazing how it can take one ugly picture that you found on Google or some website. Maybe you took it with your phone. As long as there's not too much going on in the background and it knows what to focus on, it can easily make a sweet 3D model out of just a picture, and you can print it. Making the model, I mean, that could have taken me like 20 hours. Honestly, I could have never made this. I don't care how many hours you would have gave me, it would have taken me my entire life to make a complex model when I'm not as skilled in CAD yet. Wow, Hitem3D.ai. I just drag the picture I found, drop it into the system, click generate, and it's gonna make me a model from a picture that's ready to print.